Code 680.43D5 outlines the bonding requirements for electrical devices and controls near spas and hot tubs. This section mandates bonding for all electrical devices and controls not associated with the spa or hot tub that are located not less than 5 feet from such units, otherwise they shall be bonded to the spa or hot tub. Now, what exactly does electrical devices and controls encompass? This term covers a wide array of electrical equipment, including firstly switches, secondly plugs which are receptacles, thirdly light fixtures, fourthly fans, fifthly ground fault circuit interrupter outlets, sixthly appliances such as hairdryers and radios, seventhly control panels, and eighthly wiring and conduit. The purpose of bonding is to create a low resistance path for electrical currents to flow. This ensures that any fault currents are safely diverted to the ground wire, mitigating the risk of electric shock and fire hazards. Let's break down the interpretation of the code. If an electrical device or control is not associated with a spa or hot tub and is situated 5 feet or more away, it must be bonded to the grounding system, whether that's a ground rod or bonding wire. Conversely, if an electrical device or control is not associated with the spa or hot tub and is within 5 feet of such units, it must be bonded to the spa or hot tub equipment grounding conductor. It's important to note that this code requirement applies universally to all electrical devices and controls in the specified area, irrespective of whether they are installed indoors or outdoors. Consider this example a light fixture installed in a bathroom adjacent to a spa or hot tub. The light fixture is positioned 6 feet away from the spa and is not an integral component of the spa equipment. In this scenario, the light fixture would need to be bonded to the grounding system. Bonding is a critical safety measure in electrical installations, especially in areas with water, such as around spas and hot tubs. It ensures that in the event of a fault, electricity will take the path of least resistance, which is the grounding system, rather than through a person. This helps to minimize the risk of electric shock. Understanding the 5-foot rule is essential for compliance with electrical codes and for maintaining a safe environment around spas and hot tubs. Any electrical device within this zone requires special attention to ensure proper bonding. To elaborate on the bonding process itself, it typically involves connecting the metal parts of electrical equipment to a common grounding point using a conductor, usually a copper wire. This conductor provides a low impedance path for fault currents to flow back to the source, tripping the circuit breaker or ground fault circuit interrupter and energizing the circuit. In the case of equipment located more than 5 feet away from the spa or hot tub, bonding to the general grounding system of the building is sufficient. This ensures that any fault current will be safely conducted back to the service panel and ground, preventing a potential shock hazard. However, for equipment within the 5-foot zone, the code mandates bonding to the spa or hot tub's equipment grounding conductor. This is because the potential for contact with water is higher in this zone, and a more direct grounding path is required to ensure rapid fault clearing. When performing bonding, it is crucial to use appropriately sized conductors and connectors that are listed for the purpose. The size of the bonding conductor is typically determined by the size of the circuit conductors supplying the equipment. Consult the National Electrical Code Table 250.122 for guidance on conductor sizing. Additionally, ensure that all connections are made securely and are protected from corrosion. Loose or corroded connections can increase resistance in the grounding path, diminishing its effectiveness. It is also important to verify the continuity of the bonding system using a multimeter or other suitable testing device. This confirms that a low resistance path exists between all bonded equipment and the grounding point. In addition to bonding, ground fault circuit interrupters play a vital role in electrical safety around spas and hot tubs. Ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to detect even small imbalances in current flow and quickly to energize the circuit, preventing electric shock. Code requires ground fault circuit interrupter protection for receptacles located within a certain distance of spas and hot tubs, as well as for the equipment supplying power to the spa or hot tub itself. Regularly test ground fault circuit interrupters to ensure that they are functioning properly. A simple test procedure involves pressing the test button on the ground fault circuit interrupter, which should cause it to trip and energize the circuit. If the ground fault circuit interrupter does not trip when the test button is pressed, it should be replaced immediately. Proper bonding and ground fault circuit interrupter protection are essential components of a comprehensive electrical safety plan for spas and hot tubs. By adhering to code requirements and best practices, you can minimize the risk of electric shock and create a safe and enjoyable environment. Remember that electrical work should only be performed by qualified and licensed electricians who are familiar with the National Electrical Code and local regulations. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical safety, consult with a professional. Furthermore, it is crucial to maintain a safe distance between electrical equipment and water sources. Avoid using electrical appliances near the spa or hot tub, and never touch electrical devices with wet hands. Keep cords and plugs away from water to prevent accidental contact. In addition to the specific requirements outlined in Code 680.43d5, there may be other applicable codes and regulations that govern electrical installations around spas and hot tubs. It is important to consult with local authorities and inspectors to ensure compliance with all applicable requirements. Staying informed about the latest electrical codes and best practices is essential for maintaining a safe environment around spas and hot tubs. Regularly review the National Electrical Code in any local amendments and attend training courses to stay up to date on the latest developments. Electrical safety is an ongoing process that requires vigilance and attention to detail. By following the guidelines outlined in this explanation and consulting with qualified professionals, you can minimize the risk of electrical hazards and enjoy your spa or hot tub with peace of mind. Moreover, consider the specific environment surrounding the spa or hot tub. Outdoor installations may be subject to different weather conditions and require additional precautions, such as the use of weather-resistant enclosures and fittings. Ensure that all electrical equipment is protected from rain, snow, and other environmental factors. Regular inspections of electrical equipment are essential to identify any signs of damage or deterioration. Look for cracked or frayed cords, loose connections, and corroded components. Address any issues promptly to prevent potential hazards. In addition to visual inspections, it is also recommended to perform periodic electrical testing using appropriate equipment. This can help to identify hidden problems such as insulation breakdown or ground faults that may not be visible to the naked eye. When performing electrical work, always energize the circuit before starting any repairs or modifications. Use a voltage tester to verify that the circuit is indeed dead before proceeding. Follow lockout-tagout procedures to prevent accidental re-energization of the circuit while you're working on it. Never work on electrical equipment while standing in water or on a wet surface. This increases the risk of electric shock. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as rubber gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from electrical hazards. If you are not comfortable performing electrical work yourself, hire a qualified electrician to do the job. It is always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to electricity. Educate yourself and others about electrical safety. Share this information with family members, friends, and neighbors to help them understand the risks and how to prevent accidents. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility that requires everyone's cooperation. By working together, we can create a safer environment for ourselves and our communities. Furthermore, consider the placement of the spa or hot tub in relation to other structures and utilities. Avoid locating it near overhead power lines or underground cables. Maintain a safe distance from gas lines and other flammable materials. Ensure that there is adequate clearance around the spa or hot tub for maintenance and access. In addition to the electrical aspects, there are also structural and plumbing considerations to keep in mind when installing a spa or hot tub. Ensure that the foundation is level and can support the weight of the filled spa or hot tub. Provide adequate drainage to prevent water from pooling around the base. Install a backflow preventer to prevent contaminated water from entering the potable water supply. Consult with a qualified contractor to ensure that all structural and plumbing requirements are met. The National Electrical Code provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations, including those around spas and hot tubs. It is important to familiarize yourself with the relevant sections of the code and to follow them carefully. The code is updated regularly to reflect new technologies and best practices, so it is important to stay current with the latest revisions. Local codes and regulations may also apply, so it is important to check with your local authorities to ensure compliance. In addition to the National Electrical Code, there are also other standards and guidelines that can provide valuable information on electrical safety. These include standards from organizations such as the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers and the National Fire Protection Association. Staying informed about these standards can help you to improve your knowledge and skills in electrical safety. Remember that electrical safety is not just about following codes and regulations. It is also about using common sense and good judgment. If something does not seem right, do not hesitate to ask for help. It is always better to err on the side of caution when dealing with electricity. By following these guidelines, you can minimize the risk of electrical hazards and create a safe and enjoyable environment around your spa or hot tub. The goal is to prevent electrical shocks and ensure the safety of anyone using or near the spa or hot tub. Proper bonding and grounding provide a safe path for electricity in case of a fault, while ground fault circuit interrupters quickly cut off power to prevent injury. Always consult with a licensed electrician to ensure your installation meets all applicable codes and safety standards.